model, which is road transportation. There are four major models of transportation, that is road, air, water and rail. The model presented by me is based on one of them, that is road transportation. Road transportation is the most common mode of transportation, which is a part of our daily life, which we used to go to our offices, school, shopping, health emergency, etc. Vehicles used in this mode of transportation are transport bus, cars, lorry, truck, ambulance and so on. There are different types of road transportation, which are public and private transport. Cheapest mode of road transport are public transport, which are public buses. My model represents well-planned road, located buildings, trees, etc. Proper planned road transportation helps us traffic-free movement and avoids life loss caused due to accidents. Road should be well planned with trees so that we can reduce air pollution caused by the vehicles. In most of the developed countries, there are special tracks built on the road which are used for emergency purposes, that is ambulance, fire brigade, etc. Well-planned road transportation is the need of the hour for hassle-free transportation. So, this is my science exhibition model which I presented. Thank you.